आज की वीडियो में हम लोग इस दुनिया में होने वाले 25 इन्वेंशंस के बारे में बात करेंगे। तो चलिए आइए मौजू का बाकायदा आगाज़ करते हैं। सबसे पहले बात करते हैं एरोप्लेन की। एरोप्लेन इन्वेंटेड बाय राइट ब्रदर्स, अमेरिकन इन्वेंटर्स इन द ईयर्स 1903। सेकंड वन इज टेलीफोन। Telephone was invented by Graham Bell, Scottish inventors in the year of 1876. Light bulb invented by American inventors Thomas Edison in the years of 1879. Next one is thermometer. Thermometer was invented by Dutch scientist Fahrenheit in the year of 1714. Television. Television invented by Scotland inventors Jailbird years of 1926. Next one is telescope. Telescope was invented by German scientist Hans Lippershey in the years of 1608. Steam engine. Steam engine invented by Scottish inventors James Watt in the years of 1765. Barometer. Barometer was invented by Italian physicist Torricelli in the year of 1644. Mobile phone was invented by American inventor Matter Copper in the year of 1973. Computer was invented by British mathematics Charlie Babbage in the years of 1834. Bicycle. Bicycle was invented by Scottish blacksmith K. Mylan in the year of 1839. Next one is radio. Radio was invented by Italian engineer Giacomo Marconi in the year of 1901. Swing machine. Swing machine was invented by France inventor Thimoroni in the year of 1830. Next one is microscope. Microscope was invented by Dutch barrier maker Scarius Johnson in the year of 1590. Next one is balloon. Balloon was invented by British scientist Michael Faraday in the year of 1783. Next one is calculator. Calculator was invented by French and mathematics Blaise Pascal in the year of 1642. Next one is jet engine. Jet engine was invented by British inventor Sir Frederick Wheat in the year of 1937. Graham phone was invented by an American inventor Thomas Edison in the year of 1878. Next one is lift. Lift was invented by American inventor Eliza Otis in the year of 1852. Next one is revolver. Revolver was invented by American inventor Samuel Colt in the year of 1835. Next one is safety pin. Safety pin was invented by American inventor William Hurst in the year of 1849. Next one is watch. Watch was invented by German inventor Peter Halley in the year of 1791. Next one is typewriter. Typewriter was invented by American inventor Christopher Shaw in the year of 1868. Next one is ballpoint. Ballpoint was invented by Hungary inventor Cerebro in the year of 1938. Next one is electric iron. Electric iron was invented by American inventor W.I. Seeley in the year of 1882. उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। आइंदा ऐसी वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और इसे अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा।